What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, in honor of the first game of the NFL season of the year, we're going to be making some barbecue chicken nachos. Perfect for any tailgate, or just kicking back and watching the game and enjoying a beer. So, let's get this recipe kicked off, shall we? Yes, indeed. Barbecue chicken nachos. Now, this is perfect for game day when the team is on and you got the boys over and you're drinking some beer and you got a mighty hunger in your gut and you need something to fill it up and you need something good. So, what you're going to do first is get your chicken, and where you've already got our seasoning put on our chicken. Now, I put some dry rub on there, and this is the Sweet Preacher Sweet Southern Barbecue pork rub from Fire and Smoke. So, let's see, brown sugar, red spices, and herbs. So pretty much that's what I like. Now you can put whatever you want on there, whatever rub you like, or no rub at all. I just kind of want to give it that extra barbecue flavor. So, we're gonna cook it in the skillet. And once again, like I say, you can go out to the grill with this, you can go to the oven with this, or you can put it in the skillet like I am gonna do right now. So, we'll take our chicken and put it in there. Now I got chicken breast today. You can use chicken thighs. Any boneless chicken will do for you. And you can use other shit too. You can use pork or steak. Hell man, you can pretty much do whatever you want to do with this shit right here. So, we've got our chicken in there and it already smells wonderful, baby. Ooh, it's good. So, we are going to let those cook. Ooh. Go get another drink. And we can cut these green onions up too while we're waiting. So we'll come back when this chicken's just about done, and then we'll have some real fun because we'll be closer to game time, baby. But I'm gonna keep pre-gaming right now. So meet me back here in a little bit. All right, buddy boy, we're back in the huddle, and now our chicken is done. You see, we've let it cook, we've flipped it over, and we've made sure that it didn't burn, but we got it done. And if you'll take notice, it's got a nice glaze on there now, a good flavor, a good texture, and it's gonna be good to eat. So, what I want you to do when it's done is take your chicken out of the pan, put it on an old cutting board, and let it rest. You gotta let it sit on the sidelines a while and catch its breath, because you don't want to cut it too fast, baby. Because if you do, you're gonna lose all your juices, and it's not gonna be good and juicy and tender. It's gonna be dry and nasty. So, you gotta let it rest. And then once it's done resting, I'd say, maybe like 5 minutes or so. Just let it cool down. And then cut it up into old chunks like I got right here. And now we are going to take the chunks and we're going to put them back in the skillet. But we're going to turn the skillet way, way, way down to low because we don't want to burn the bottom of that. Yeah, no. So, grab your chicken and we will go ahead and put it all in this thing here. Now, once you get that chicken in there and it's looking good, I want you to go ahead and grab the barbecue sauce, because the sauce is the boss, baby. And today, you know what I got? This is my #1 star player, Sweet Baby Ray's. It's good and it's good for you. So, we're going to put this in here. And now, what would John Madden say about this situation? He'd say, you put the chicken in the skillet, and then you get the barbecue sauce, and it's like, boom! They come together, and it's just a clash of the titans. And this is going to be good tonight. So, we got our chicken. Let's add the sauce. And squirt, 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 squirt. Looking good, looking good. Now, I want you to take your spatula and mix it around, just like so. Get it good and covered. Make sure everybody's playing man-to-man in there. Man-to-man coverage, baby. Yeah. So, got it good. We're going to set it on low and let it go for just a teeny tiny little bit. Maybe just 2 or 3 minutes. Just kind of let it simmer. Get the flavor. And then we will get a plate and we're ready to assemble this thing, baby. We're ready to play the game. So, meet me back here in a minute, and we'll do our thing. Yeah. Well, welcome back, and it's the fourth quarter, baby. We are ready to assemble our barbecue chicken nachos. So, first things first, nachos gotta have chips. So we gonna get a big old handful of chips, and we're gonna put them on this plate. Now you can use as many or as little chips as you want. Me, I'm kind of hungry, baby. Been working my ass off in here, and I want this. So maybe a few more chips. That's good. Now, next thing we'll do is we will take a little bit of this big bad barbecue chicken, baby, and we gonna plunk it down right on top. Ooh wee! Look at that. Next thing that we'll do, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, you got meat on there. Well, you need more. So we're gonna have a little bacon, and today we're using real bacon pieces because I ain't cooking no bacon shit. Ain't I got time for that shit, boy. No, the game is on, and I'm not missing the Chiefs. So we've got the meat, we've got the other meat. Let's put some cheese, if we please, on top. This is Velveeta shredded cheese, and it's good, but you can get whatever you want, you know. Live it up, baby. It's your life, and you only got one of them. Now we've got the cheese on top. Let's add a little bit of our green onion that we cut up, sir. Once again, just put a little or a lot. It's just up to you. And last, but not least, surely not least, I'm gonna add a little spice to my life. I'd like a few jalapenos. So, woo! That's what I like. The spice of life. So we're gonna dig us out a couple fish out some jalapenos, and we're gonna lay them on top, just like this. Now, we've got everything ready to go. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna want to melt that cheese. So you can either take this and put it in the microwave, or you can make a whole boatload of them and put them in the oven. And I got to tell you, boy, when you make some shit like this, because this is good eating, and you take this to the tailgate or the football party, next time you go to get your ass a beer, and they have some of this, they're gonna be carrying you in to get your beer like old Rudy up on their up on their damn shoulders, boy, because that's how good it is. And I'll show you how good it is if you just step this way, and take a look at this. Oh! All right, Jerome Bettis, the time has come. The barbecued chicken nachos are done, and I'm having the first bite for me. This right here is a meal fit for a linebacker, baby. Ooh, big stuff. And I want to make sure I get a jalapeno on mine. I want the spice. Breaking chips. Man. Oh! That's good. That's the MVP. Most valuable play. That's good stuff. Ooh, I hope you. Spicy but good. So, I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking shows right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy the nachos. Enjoy the game. Go Chiefs, baby. And I'll see you next time.